Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Build.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make a concrete slab. I'm going to create this concrete slab right here because I have this shed over there. It's like sinking, and when it rains here in the Pacific Northwest, it's sinking down, and I do not like that. So I'm just gonna build a concrete slab right here and move that shed over here to this corner. So let's get started. The first step for this project was to create a box. This was the same length that I wanted this concrete slab to be. It was about 7 by 7. And as you can see, I have a little helper there that is helping me making this project happen. Another suggestion that I have for a project like this is to make sure that you slightly make the frame that you want to do a little bit bigger than the spot that you want to cover, because you don't want to make a concrete slab and then it is smaller than whatever you put it in is going to be. After I created my frame, I went ahead and tried to make it even. I used a shovel and make sure that the area that I was going to cover was going to be some type of even. Also, as you can see, I used the rebars just to give it a little bit of a stabilization to the boards, because I didn't want the boards to go slide and make it where it's not even. Since I have your attention, I will appreciate if you can hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel to grow. Thank you. Okay guys, so I was able to level this part of where I'm gonna have the concrete slab to the best of my abilities. So I just need to put some rebars across it, and then I'm gonna do the pour of the mixture of the concrete. Alright guys, so the weather decided to be nice, and now I have stuff growing there, but it's all good. I don't care. I already did my work here. So one thing that I did is that I got a 1x4 and I have it measured out here. I'm gonna use a screw and screw it here so I can do one side at a time. I got this mesh from Home Depot, and this is going to make sure that concrete doesn't break or crack. So I am just going to do the mix. First I'm gonna put this in, do the mix, do one half now and the other half tomorrow. Another suggestion that I have when you're mixing cement is to make sure that you wear a mask, because you don't want to inhale those chemicals. When you're doing the mixing, I highly suggest that you have a water hose right next to you, because this will help you make the right consistency for your cement, and that way the mess that you make is gonna be a little bit more manageable. Doing this project in two halves highly helped me, because let me tell you, it was really tiring to do all the mixing of the cement. Another thing that I will suggest, if I was going to do this project ever again, is to rent the mixer from Home Depot, because I'm pretty sure that it will get this project done way faster than what I did. For this step, I am making sure that this area is level and even, and this is going to ensure that there's no additional cracks. Alright guys, this is day 2. I'm finished with one side of it. I am just going to remove this piece right here and then cover this area, and hopefully it's not going to be as painful as it has been. This has been a total body workout. So I just realized that all my files when I was recording got corrupted, but this is the end result. I was able to get this project done in 2 days. I'm really happy with the results, and I was able to move the shed back to the other side where I want it to be. If you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow, and I'll see you next time for the next video. Have a good day.